Welcome back to AutoShow, the channel where we dive into the details of the most iconic cars, both past and present, and today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Plymouth Duster, a stunning reincarnation of a classic that has captured the hearts of muscle car enthusiasts everywhere. The 2025 Plymouth Duster is a bold reimagining of the muscle car that first debuted in 1970. Blending modern design sensibilities with the spirit of its legendary predecessor. It's sleek, aggressive, and carries with it the unmistakable aura of performance, which is clear from the moment you set eyes on it. Up front, the 2025 Duster features a wide, menacing grille with sharp, angular lines that speak to its high-performance DNA. Flanking the grille are sharp LED headlights that give it a modern touch while still maintaining that iconic muscle car glare. The hood is sculpted with purposeful lines that not only add to the aggressive stance but also hint at the power that lies underneath. The side profile of the Duster is pure muscle, with a strong, wide stance that emphasizes its performance capabilities. The body has been sculpted to reduce drag while maintaining the classic coupe silhouette, adding to both its visual appeal and its aerodynamic efficiency. The wheel arches are pronounced, and the tires fill them with authority, showcasing the Duster's capability for road holding and speed. As for the rear end, it's unmistakably Plymouth, with sleek taillights that run across the width of the car, giving it a modern, cohesive look. The rear diffuser is aggressively designed, enhancing the car's aerodynamics and providing additional downforce at high speeds. It's clear that every inch of this car has been carefully crafted to enhance performance and aesthetics. Under the hood, the Duster packs an impressive engine lineup, from a turbocharged 4-cylinder to a powerful V8, each option designed to deliver exhilarating acceleration and top-end speed. The Duster doesn't just look fast, it's engineered to be fast, with performance tuning that allows it to compete with the best in its class. With the 2025 model, Plymouth has integrated cutting-edge technology to ensure that the Duster's handling is as precise and thrilling as its acceleration. The 2025 Plymouth Duster also offers modern performance features such as adaptive suspension, advanced traction control, and high-performance brakes, ensuring that it doesn't just dominate straightaways but also handles corners with ease. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on tight turns, the Duster offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. In summary, the 2025 Plymouth Duster is a modern-day muscle car that brings back the best of the past with a bold new design, unmatched performance, and cutting-edge features. It's a car that demands attention on the road and delivers on every promise it makes. This is not just a tribute to the original Duster, it's a statement in its own right, showing that the legacy of performance is very much alive. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews here on AutoShow.